Here is the Multimedia Hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, January 19th. We've had some fairly large temperature swings over the region this winter, and that's because of this upper level weather pattern that has been fairly persistent for much of the winter season. There's been low pressure, fairly continuous from Hudson's Bay into the eastern part of the country. And this low pressure has intensified and weakened several times during the winter. During times where the low pressure has weakened, the flow regime over the mid-Mississippi Valley becomes more westerly, and that allows warmer air to surge into the area like we experienced on Sunday. However, when this low pressure intensifies, we get into the more northerly part of the upper level flow pattern, and that drags some very cold air into our area. The latest forecast maps indicate that our upper level flow pattern will be turning more northerly as we head in the early part of the new work week, and that's going to mean several more rounds of Arctic air from Monday night into Thursday, and I'll have all the details on that in the next few slides. Cooler air will be filtering into the region overnight tonight, and that's going to drop temperatures back several degrees from the very mild readings of Sunday afternoon. Looks like highs will be ranging from the upper 30s over central Illinois to the mid and upper 40s over central and southeast sections of Missouri. Not as warm as Sunday, but certainly near or a bit above the averages for mid-January. However, some much colder air will be pushing into the area Monday night and Tuesday, and this new round of Arctic air will be accompanied by an upper-level disturbance, which will bring some snowfall to the region. Weather features are such that it looks like the heaviest accumulating snow will be falling in a fairly narrow area from north to south, and right now it looks like the axis of heaviest snowfall will be occurring along and perhaps just east of the Mississippi, with some locations receiving around an inch of snow in this area. Accumulations elsewhere are expected to be less than 1 inch. This new round of Arctic air Monday night and Tuesday will not be as brutally cold as what occurred earlier this month, but it still will be well below normal for this time of year. Overnight lows Monday night will drop into the single digits north of Interstate 70, with readings south of the I-70 corridor somewhere in the 10 to 15 degree range. And then throughout the day on Tuesday, temperatures will only warm a few degrees from those early morning lows. In addition, it should be noted that wind chills will be dropping into the 5 to 15 below zero range along and north of Interstate 70 on Tuesday morning. Now, earlier I mentioned this is the first of several intrusions of Arctic air that will be occurring. Right now it looks like we will have a brief moderation in temperatures on Wednesday, and that'll be followed by another round of Arctic air Wednesday night and Thursday, with temperatures very similar to what we are expecting Monday night and Tuesday. You can get all the specifics on the upcoming weather, as well as historical weather information at our website, www.weather.gov/St. Louis, and you can also find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.